Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And what I normally do, family, to get like my video title, I normally when something pop in my head, I normally just write it down in my notepad and I'll come and build a video around it for you, family. So I just want to actually talk about this situation and talk about what will happen to you if you fake your life on YouTube, and why you should always be honest, family. I just want to talk about just some situation you see happening to people and stuff, and it could have been avoided if they just been honest, and that's just what I want to make this video for fellow YouTubers, because I know a lot of people get ahead on YouTube and get ahead on social media. That's the only way out right now with the internet. That is universal. And most people, that's the only thing they can do is actually make a video but somebody might want to see and want to watch. And here in Africa, there's not a lot of jobs here and stuff. So you find that this is a way out for people. And it's so bad to see people actually use it for the wrong reason, family, and make it bad for others, and I just want to just make this video, guys, to actually encourage anybody who is gonna be starting out on social media and feel like I know some people come from the village and YouTube is the only way out. That's the only way they can actually make a 10,000 Kenyan shillings or something, in them life ever. That's the easiest way to make money right now is on the internet. And that's the thing, the internet is gonna be a place maybe in the future that they're gonna use it to actually, they're gonna use it against people, because people, once there is money in something, people take it all that serious, and they put their all in it, and they don't understand and notice and realize that someday this thing that you put your all in, there's the creator, somebody who actually create the system can use it against your family. So I just want to just talk about why you should not fake your life on social media, family. To be honest is the key in life. I want to be an honest, family. Just let's for this situation, for travel vloggers, people who say they want to travel the world. Why not come out and say, guys, I want to travel the world, but I don't have money, and the money that YouTube gonna pay me, I cannot use it to travel because I'm gonna run myself in debt and in a deficit. So guys, my followers, I want you guys to support my travel. And you tell people from the get-go, I won't be able to travel. I can't afford to travel based on what YouTube is paying me and what I want my money to with YouTube. So, other than actually coming on the internet, saying you have a few things, taking people things and then saying it's yours, making video with it, and then show your peers that actually you're making it and stuff, they should follow in your footstep. You get a lot of young people now start to come and say, oh, I want to be like this person. But as I said, I'll say to myself all the time that I'll never want to be like somebody that I don't know how they get their things. I don't know what they do to accumulate their things. I would never want to be like nobody. I want to be like myself. I want to be the things that I know about that I get for myself. I know that I get it. I don't want to see somebody with some traveling the world and then going all these expensive places and I don't know what they're doing to get it, family. You have to show me the receipt. You have to show me, say, yeah, I booked this air ticket and I paid this for it. I buy this thing and I buy this laptop and this is what I pay for it. I do this and this is what the receipt is there. Until you can see receipt, that's the only way I'll believe in what you do in this day and age and social media, family. There's no way, I can believe in somebody that are just doing things and just post it on the camera, family, because that's what this day and age that we're living in, the social media digital age. Somebody go and take a picture on a car or wherever they want to take it and say, this is my car. Somebody rent an apartment in the city. Oh, this is my apartment, I'm gonna furnish it, I buy this for that, I buy this for this and that, and somebody else has a receipt to show that that is them by it, not you. But you come on the internet and tell people, you know what I mean, you just graduate, you know, making, you know, small money on YouTube, but yet still you have 2 apartments, you have all these things, family. So that's what I tell you guys, that, you know, most people, you have all these things and you just graduate and you just get a small change from YouTube and stuff. But you come and make people feel like YouTube is the way out. And these are the things make people, you know what I mean, maybe lose their way, because you have something and maybe YouTube should just be a part-time now, because you see your peers making it on YouTube, you don't know what they're doing, you don't know which man hosts them, you don't know who hosts them and give them this and give them that, but you want to be like them. So, you know, I just want to make this video, family, to encourage people. They should never, once you see somebody post something on social media, you should never envy and covet that person, because you don't know what they do to get it. You don't know, you know what I mean. And worse, females, you know what I mean, is like, you know what I mean, you have escort, you have people who will sleep with somebody one night and get a 20K, you know what I mean. That's how it is, family. So, you know, this is just to encourage other females out there. When you see another female posting something and going there, you should never envy them and say you want to be like that, because you don't know what they do. They never post the receipt and say it's them pay for it, or it's them buy this, or it's them buy that. And that's what YouTubers should stop do. They should stop lie on the internet and lie on YouTube, because they're making it bad for people who really in need and really want. Now nobody won't actually support somebody like that, family. So, you know what I mean, I just want to make this video for people who actually, you know what I mean, who's coming up and feel away when they see, you know, your peers making it and stuff. Never covet them, never envy them, never say you wish it was me. Just focus on being honest. Honest is the key in this life, family. Honest is the key. Honesty is the key on social media. And once you start to be dishonest and people start finding out you're dishonest, that's the rise and that's the fall of you, family. That's the rise and the fall, family. So guys, I hope you guys learned something from this video. I want you to comment your thoughts below and let me know if you know, you know what I mean, you know, if you know anyone that is doing this on the internet, and what would you advise them to do, you know what I mean. And when you're honest, family, you get more support, you get more donation, people respect you more for being honest. It don't make no sense, you know what I mean, when things is good on YouTube, you're getting a lot of views, you come and show off and people say, oh, I'm buying this, I'm buying that, I'm buying that. When there is no views on YouTube, YouTube start to tax you, you start to come and beg, and you know, you start to want people to sympathize with you, you know what I mean. So those are the people, family, you have to watch out for, and those are the people, you know what I mean, you have to be watching out for when you're trying to, you know, do business with or try to actually, you know, get help from them in any way, you know what I mean, in any way or any shape or form, family. You have to be careful of these people, because these people will scam you. You know what I mean? They're already scamming online by saying they do this, they're doing that, they're buying this and buying that. When it's somebody buying it for them and somebody gifting them and somebody giving them things, family. So that's a sign. Those are the people you don't want to do business with, because, you know what I mean, that's a sign of deception, family. That's a sign of dishonesty. That's a sign of a lot of things, family. So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa, family. I hope you learned something from this video. Like, share and comment. And if you have anybody who you're encouraging to go into social media, just advise them to always be honest. If you have to come and beg honestly and tell people, I don't have this, I don't have that, and this is what I want to do. If you can support me, please support me. You know what I mean? But don't come and behave like a self-made, and when rock hit the bottom, now that's when you want to actually come and beg. And when you're on the rise, you come and boast. It doesn't work like that, family. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. And that's dishonesty, that's deception. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa, family. I'm out. One love. God bless. Jamaica.